perfect timing isn't always our timing. He may not work things out the way we planned, but He is working things out for better, even for the best. Pandemic has changed everything around the world, from our basic routine way of living to celebration of big event that has suddenly shifted to a new normal. Thus, the school administration finds ways to realize this once-in-a-lifetime occasion in the lives of the students, parents, and guardians. For 4 years or more of sacrifices, struggles, challenges, and the likes, amidst the hubbub of difficulties we are in today. Distinguished guest, Honorable Mayor and Chairman of the Board of Trustees, respected Vice Mayor and the Sangguniang Bayan members of Daraga, equally esteemed college administrator and college dean, teaching and non-teaching personnel, parents, graduating class, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to the 15th Commencement exercises via virtual platform, academic year 2020-2021. To start, may I invite all the participants to join us and feel the presence of the Lord for an opening prayer, and this shall be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem through audio-visual presentations respectively with Mr. Bernard John Martinez, faculty member, conducting.
awit ng Pilipinas.
Honorable Giselle Richard Giselle, Board Member, Province of Albay. Honorable Mayor Victor U. Perete, Chairman of the Board of Trustees. Honorable Dante M. Magallanes, Chairman Committee on Education. Members of the Sangguniang Bayan of Daraga, headed by Honorable Vice Mayor Jerry Rafael C. Haushan Jr., Dr. Frederick Bernal, Regional Director, CISO4, Commission on Higher Education, Regional Office 5. Daisy P. Bragais, Acting Director 4 of the Civil Service Commission, Regional Office 5. Dr. Marias D.T. Sadea, President of Alcopay. Dr. Joey M. Zamora, College Administrator. Dr. Manuel M. Goyena, College Dean. To our Faculty Association President, Mrs. Feli G. Hapo. To our Alumni President, Ms. Joanne M. Lustan. Curriculum Chairperson, Department Heads, the teaching and non-teaching personnel of DCOMC, member of the graduating class, parents, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. By the authority vested in me as the Acting College Registrar of Daraga Community College, I hereby declare the 15 commencement exercises school year 2020-2021 open.
At this juncture, our college administrator, Mr. Joey M. Zamora, a Doctor of Education, will now present the candidates for graduation. And this shall be followed by the conferment of degrees by the Chaired Regional Director 4, Mr. Freddie T. Bernal, CESO 3, a Doctor of Philosophy.
Director Freddie Bernal of the Commission on Higher Education. I have the honor to present to you the 373 candidates for graduation. 185 leading to the degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education and 185 for the degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education with the following majors: 26 Biological Science, 31 English, 34 Filipino, 21 Mathematics, 63 MAPE, 10 Social Studies. As the college's administrator, I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of their degrees as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education. May I therefore request you to confirm their graduation.
Ladies and gentlemen, By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Commission on Higher Education, as Director 4 of Region 5, and upon the recommendation of your respective deans that you have satisfactorily completed all the academic requirements prescribed in your chosen course, I hereby confirm you graduates with all the rights and privileges appurtenant thereto, this 17th day of July 2021. Congratulations, graduates.
In every endeavor like this, either live or via virtual, there is always a speaker who would inspire our graduates. To do the honor in introducing our guest speaker for today, we have our College Dean, Mr. Melvin M. Guyena, a Doctor of Education.
Congressman Joey Sarti Salceda, 2nd District of Albay, beloved Mayor and the Chairman of the Board of Trustees, Victor U. Perete, Dr. Joey M. Zamora, DCOMC College Administrator, Dr. Freddie T. Bernal, CHED Regional Director, Region 5, Civil Service Commission Representative, Honorable Vice Mayor Jerry Rafael Hausen Jr., and the Sangguniang Bayan members of Daraga, faculty and staff of Daraga Community College, members of the graduating class, parents, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Our distinguished guest belongs to an illustrious clan of lawmakers, educators, and public servants from the municipality of Pulangi, Albay. In fact, he is the nephew of our beloved Congressman Joey Sarti Salceda. He prepared for his storied political career by earning his degree at Yale University, USA. He is the incumbent Councilors League of the Philippines chairman, Bicol chapter and Albay chapter. As PCL chairperson, he believed that the league members be given the role as modernizing agents of society and pushing constitutional change that fortifies the role of local governments and their legislative bodies in pursuing local economic development. With his position in the PCL, he became automatic member of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of the province of Albay, where he chaired the following committees: Committee on Housing and Utilization and Committee on Public Order and Safety. He is also a member of the Committee on Labor, Cooperative, and Accreditation. A three-termer municipal councilor of Pulangi, Albay, where he became the chairman Committee on Agriculture and Committee on Tourism. Other positions held were SK Federation President of Albay in 2006 and the National Secretary of SK Federation in the same year. He had been an honorary chairperson of United Kabalikat, CDCOM 95M. Ladies and gentlemen, I am privileged to introduce to you our commencement speaker this afternoon, Honorable Giselle Richard Salceda.
Marcus Aurelius, the greatest Roman emperor, once said, "It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live." At the height of a deadliest pandemic in the ancient world, with over 5 million lives claimed and several millions more dead in their tracks, Marcus Aurelius, the most powerful leader in the Roman Empire, chose to see the silver lining behind the clouds, the ray of light at the end of a dark tunnel. Ladies and gentlemen, proud parents, distinguished graduates of today's commencement exercises, there's no doubt that the COVID-19 pandemic has caught us all by surprise, irrevocably changing the course of our lives. From the usual and familiar, suddenly we're navigating the unknown, tediously facing setbacks, coping with changes, one day at a time. These times of uncertainty and fear not only presented paradigm shifts, but also challenges that threatens our very survival. Sa mahigit isang taon na kinakaharap natin ang pandemya, hindi may pagkakaila na marami sa atin ang nangangamba, nahihirapan at lubos na nangangamba. Mula sa unang araw ng lockdown, hindi naging madali ang pag-usad ng ating mga buhay. Patuloy man ang mga hamon, pilit pa din natin niyayakan ang mga pagbabago ng may dangal, bukas na puso at malawak na isipan. Kaya naman, sa araw na ito, tayo ay nagbibigay pugay sa 372 estudyante na ngayon ay nagtatapos sa ika-15 commencement exercises ng Daraga Community College. Today, we honor your resilience, hard work, and courage as you forge into the future. In spite of overwhelming uncertainty, you never fail to find hope in your hearts. Eleanor Roosevelt is right. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Kahanga-hanga ang inyong puso at dedikasyon sa panahon kung kailan tila napakadilim ng ating hinaharap. At bilang lingkod bayan na naniniwala sa edukasyon bilang pundasyon ng matatag na lipunan, kayo ng mga magsisipagtapos ang aking inspirasyon upang lalong pagbutihin ang aking pagsisilbi sa ating bayan. Sa gabos ng mga gurang na nag-ingwa, nagmantinir, kasi nagdisponir, tanganing mapaadal ang sa indang mga padabang akin, ang sakuyang pagsaludo, asin pagrespeto, para sa induman po ang aldaw na inyo. Sa gabos ng miyembro ng faculty kay ining Daraga Community College, ang sakuyang sincero, asin dakulang pasasalamat. Desperate times call for desperate measure, but you made it all happen. Championing education amidst the new normal. You may be facing a great deal of adversity, but there is nothing that human spirit cannot overcome. It can be the Antonine Day 2,000 years ago, or the COVID-19 pandemic in the present time. But we must always remember that adversity is a preparation for greatness. The great American leader Martin Luther King Jr. said it best, "Not everybody can be famous, but everybody can be great, because greatness is determined by service." I hope that someday may you also be of sincere, passionate, and selfless service to this great nation. Diyos mabalus po sa Induga Boss, asin congratulations to all new graduates!
Thank you very much, Honorable Board Member Giselle Richard Salceda, for sharing your time, expertise, wisdom, experiences, and inspiring our graduates. In line with this, the Daraga Community College family would like to award this plaque of appreciation, which reads: Republic of the Philippines Commission on Higher Education, Daraga Community College Salvacion Daraga Albay, hereby awards this plaque of appreciation to Honorable Giselle Richard G. Salceda, Board Member, Province of Albay, in grateful acknowledgement of his distinguished and invaluable contributions as guest of honor and speaker during the 15th commencement exercises via virtual of Daraga Community College, Daraga Albay. Hereby contributing immeasurably to the prestige and success of the occasion. Given this 17th day of July in the year of our Lord 2021 at Daraga Community College, Daraga, Albay. Signed, Melvin M. Guyena, EDD College Dean. Joey M. Zamora, EDD College Administrator. Victor Oy Perete, Mayor and Chairman of the Board of Trustees. This time, the Chairman of the Board of Trustees of Daraga Community College, Honorable Mayor Victor Oy Perete, will give this message to the graduates.
The pandemic has created a sudden impact in the history of mankind. Changes we never see coming. Yet, as Filipinos, our resiliency is our power. We adapt to changes with great optimism and we survive. In education, we have seen school closures and social isolation. It affected each of you in many ways. The sudden shift from basic learning to an online and modular learning, from an active classroom to the four corners of your home. All these were tough and even caused mental health issues. But look at you all now. You endured the difficulties this pandemic has generated. Your future is bright and you can navigate yourself in any direction you choose. You are the sailor of your own ship and you will decide where to go. But remember, go where your heart feels safe and home. Congratulations, graduates!
Thank you very much, Mayor, for your unending support to Daraga Community College. Indeed, your support really helped shape and reshape young individuals' minds who aspire to change their lives in the future. We shall now come to the awarding of citations and the presentation of honor and outstanding graduates of Batch 2021 by Mr. Marvin B. Borse, a Doctor of Education, to be awarded by Honorable Giselle Richard G. Salceda, Board Member, Province of Albay, and Honorable Dante M. Magallanes, Municipal Councilor, Chairman, Committee on Education.
Daraga Community College Honor Graduates, Academic Year 2020-2021. Bachelor of Secondary Education, Major in Filipino. Aperin Jeffrey Bautista, cum laude. Belista David Binucas Jr., cum laude. Buen Samuel Mejiliano Jr., cum laude. Lovendino Mark Anthony Lansangan, cum laude. Altavano Marie Angeline Loreno, cum laude. Argote Cristina Malate, cum laude. Vélez Janine Rosales, cum laude. Endonela Nerisalin Severino, cum laude. Marticio Analisa Santonia, cum laude. Bachelor of Secondary Education, Major in Biological Science. Magistrado Christian Mark Postre, cum laude. Menes Ruel Luque, cum laude. Zamora Mark Miñon, magna cum laude. Beliudo Lizer Valladolid, cum laude. Chavez Angie Manio, cum laude. Fiorino Maria Evelyn Nares, cum laude. Lerio Mary Jean, cum laude. Montero Idelu Marbella, cum laude. Payaga Lina May Miliena, cum laude. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Dionis Edmond Lianeta, cum laude. Asaituno Roselyn Salicer, cum laude. Valera Christine Buedo, cum laude. Muramina Elsie Luremia, cum laude. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies. Londonio Rio Marjalino, cum laude. Watiwa Felicito Abion Jr., cum laude. Lonsame Lorete Morota Jr., cum laude. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Maravillas Carlo Atento, cum laude. Molieno Robert Fabia, cum laude. Pableo Alexis Moico, cum laude. Asaituno Hanili Bigueras, cum laude. Dioquino Junel Diesta, cum laude. Morilio Rocky Perez, cum laude. Castillo Crisel Ortiz, cum laude. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in MAPI. A. Bayonito Herbert Ayala, cum laude. Simanes Kevin Azores, cum laude. Malate Dieter Chan Mantes, cum laude. Zamora Aljoy Ibanez, cum laude. Aparicio Joyce Manresa, cum laude. Villiers Lovely Rose Brillantes, cum laude. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in MAPI. B. Balanlayos Evan Josh Lauta, cum laude. Guerrero Mark Wilson Marmol, cum laude. Mandane Otras Niño Apuli, cum laude. Magallanes Sara Maceda, cum laude. Mediana Monica Honesta, cum laude. Manrique Rodel Año Nuevo, cum laude. Liaguno Lea Malate, cum laude. Mallorca Blenda Lazaga, cum laude.
Congratulations. And now, let us all listen to the response of Mark R. Zamora, the outstanding graduate of 2021 Magna Cum Laude. May I read to you the Certificate of Recognition. Republic of the Philippines Commission on Higher Education, Daraga Community College, Salvacion Daraga Albay, awards this Certificate of Recognition to Mark Riñon Zamora, outstanding graduate of 2021, Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Biological Science, for his commendable achievement, clearly evident in his impressive accomplishment in and out of the school campus, fulfilling all the requirements on his chosen degree and field of specialization, thereby bringing honor and pride to his alma mater. Given this 17th day of July 2021, on the occasion of the 15th commencement exercises of Daraga Community College held at Salvacion Daraga Albay. Signed, Melvin M. Buena, EDD, College Dean. Joey M. Zamora, EDD, College Administrator. Victor Oy Perete, Mayor and Chairman, Board of Trustees.
To our beloved administrator, Dr. Joey M. Zamora, to our college dean, Dr. Melvin M. Buena, to our commencement speaker, Giselle Richard G. Salceda, to the Board of Trustees, headed by Honorable Mayor Victor Uy Perete, to our CHED Region 5 Director, Dr. Freddy P. Bernal, to all the faculty members and staff, to our ever-supportive parents, and of course, to my fellow graduates, a blessed afternoon to everyone. As our journey ended, we have realized that we became stronger and wiser. We can face various challenges while searching for the right path that we want to take. And gladly, we can adapt and grow while trying to reach the goals we want to achieve. Even with a lot of uncertainties ahead of us, we know that it will never stop us to do our best to fulfill our dreams. As the voice of this batch, we want you to know that each of us here has become a better person, and we are truly thankful to all of you for laying a firm foundations of values and knowledge that we can hold onto. For all of you who don't know me, I am Mark R. Zamora from Biological Science major. When I enrolled in BCom-C, I never imagined that I will be here with you today, standing in front of all of you and delivering my message. My only goal before was only to graduate and have my diploma. I know some of you here know me as a working student, a full-time student in the daytime, and a full-time call center agent at the nighttime. I also wonder how I manage my time since first year, but believe it or not, I did it. During that time, I am too focused on my goal to graduate and earn my diploma in college. There are times that I already want to give up, and sometimes I already want to stop studying. Then I realize that days I have sacrificed to reach this far. Those sleepless days just to submit everything on time. Those sacrifices that I already did for my dreams. I know many of us in this batch were working students or already parents with kids who wants to graduate. Our sacrifices are not that simple. Not everyone can do such sacrifices just for their dreams. And when the pandemic strikes us, everything becomes even harder. For many, to graduate in a 4-year course seems impossible because of our current situation. But everyone gives their best to finish what they have started. We doubled our hard work, we persevered more, and some of us pour out everything they can just to finish the finish line. And because of that, I would like to congratulate you all for not giving up, for continuing the battle even though it already hurts us. You remain firm in your dreams. You know what I've learned in life? Life on earth does not promise us to be easy, but rather a life full of challenges. Those who can adapt to any changes will increase the chances of survival and growth. And we are one among those few who were able to adapt to these changes. So today, let us rise our heads and be proud because our journey was never been easy, and yet we are all here gathered to celebrate this moment. To my fellow graduates, we have already overcome countless battles toward this moment. Our journey is not yet over. We have just completed the first chapter. Let us all be ready for the new challenges in the next chapter of our lives. Graduation is not our end goal. It is instead a part of a large journey of life. Wherever our future takes us, let it take us somewhere. Our graduation should serve as a launching point, projecting us to wherever our future are meant to take us. Whether we land ourselves a career or whatever decision we make for ourselves. Consider it both a beginning and an end of a student and a beginning of mastering our profession. Let us all welcome and embrace the real world with both strength, wisdom, and courage to take a step forward. May this not be the end of dreams, hopes, and aspiration, but rather the beginning of an open door welcoming us to betterment. May our diploma be our ticket to soar and continue to life's challenges. To all of you graduates who are watching, with whom I've shared with many fond memories with, I hope that as we end this chapter of our lives, we are also ready to start a new life. I wish you all the best of the best. From now on, let's work for the betterment of our society, walking with the values and knowledge the school has taught us. Fellow graduates, when life outside seems to be impossible and draining, may you be reminded through the diploma you're holding that you are once a winner too and continue to be. May this diploma be our reminders on how we toil our dreams, how we continue to pursue it and reach this far. So never give up, because encrypted on that paper is your name. It's all yours. Own it. Own your dreams and own your future. And let's make our family, teachers, batchmates, and our beloved alma mater proud. Before I end my message today, on behalf of all the graduating students of Daraga Community College, Batch 2021, we would like to extend our deepest gratitude to the person who have helped us reach this milestone. First of all, I would like to thank the local government of Daraga, headed by our beloved Mayor Victor Perete, for unending support to DCOMC. To our administrator, Dr. Joey M. Zamora, and to our Dean, Dr. Melvin Guyena, who in spite of this situation made this virtual graduation possible. To the DCOMC teachers and non-teaching staff, to our fourth-year Federated Advisor, Dr. Marvin B. Borse, and to all the fourth-year advisor, especially our advisor in Biological Science, Dr. Jerome N. Morada, and to Mrs. Helen B. Mesa, thank you for teaching us, inspiring us, and always believing in us. This message of gratitude will never be complete without thanking our parents and family for their unending support to us. Thank you for staying with us through thick and thin. Our words are not enough to thank you for everything you've done until now. I would like also to thank my friends from Solid Black One family for their unending support since the beginning. And also to my Bio family, Thank you so much for the support and encouragement. Again, congratulations, and let's continue to walk with head held up high because finally we made it.
At this juncture, let us hear the message of Honorable Jerry Raphael Z. Housen Jr., the Municipal Vice Mayor of the Raga Albay.
To the all administrator, faculty, parents, and students, a pleasant day to each and every one of you. This pandemic has indeed modified our social norms and limited our living. However, despite the struggles we are currently facing, we cannot compromise education. With the joint effort of the concerned government agency and the local governments, education has surpassed each predicament and found ways to address the same through the utilization of technology. And now, as we celebrate the Daraga Community College 15th commencement exercises, with its noble theme, the graduates of 2021 championing education amidst the new normal, the municipal government of Daraga, especially the Sangguniang Bayan, headed by yours truly, warmly congratulates the graduates of DCOMC Class 2021. May you have bright future ahead of you. We are proud of you. Once again, congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment of our graduates has come. Let us witness the distribution of diploma by Mr. Marvin B. Borse, a Doctor of Education, the Year 4 Curriculum Chairman, and their respective advisors.
Bachelor of Elementary Education, Academic Year 2020-2021, Block 1. Male, Duran Jovin Lumbo, Baskaran Daraga Albay, Yandelar Dennis Milagrosa, Bayawas Pilar Sorsogon, Lupera Christian Ubas, Mayon Daraga Albay, Malto John Kenneth Llenaresas, Malubago Daraga Albay, Marabelio Marvin Mapula, Ibaugan Daraga Albay, Motilia Francis Joy Banyano, Del Rosario Pilar Sorsogon, Pelescia Leo Armenta, Karatagan Yuduran Albay, Pikapik John Paul King, Anislar Reservation Site, Malubago Daraga Albay. Female, Alamo Annalyn Betito, Maslog, Legazpi City. Alcantara Noemi Astillero, Doña Maria Subdivision, Tagas Daraga Albay. Bagato Ginani Obok, Kamauyan, Legazpi City. Bahamundi Beverly Luterte, Peña Francia Daraga Albay. Bilien Michelle Dado, Kawayan Bakakay Albay. Bermejo Lenny Lupino, Salvacion Pilar Sorsogon. Boras Evangeline Medalla, Bungalon Daraga Albay. Cabo Gina May Madridano, Baskaran Daraga Albay. Cabrera Jenny Rose Ribueno, San Miguel Uwas Albay. Cañeso Leia Yenaresas, Batang Ligao City. Celestial Christy Mirabuenos, Pudo Pilar Sorsogon. Certeza Nanem Blanca Flor, Namantao Daraga Albay. Del Aire Catherine Loyo, Nasty Pilar Sorsogon. Gilio China Olpido, Balabog Daraga Albay. Geriba Princess Blasco, Del Rosario Camalig Albay. Jardinero Mary Grace Mohal, Palano Camalig Albay. La Estrella Michelle Jane Nicole, Dinagaan Legazpi City. Leron Angeline Ibareta, Mariawa Legazpi City. Liamoso Diana Loseño, Bujao Daraga Albay. Leona May Liasos, Alubo Daraga Albay. Lopez Claribel Malto, Bigao Daraga Albay. Loterinya Rositine Joy Torres, Kidako Daraga Albay. Lozano Aiza Londoño, Balinat Daraga Albay. Luna G. Nunez, Magno Daraga Albay. Manda Dina Liliana, Kabawan Daraga Albay. Marbelia Marjorie Duran, Pumapok-Kapok Pilar Sorsogon, Academic Distinction. Marco Joyce Ann Buendia, Malabo Daraga Albay. Matugas Cristanshin Balispis, San Rafael Castilla Sorsogon. Mazo Vicky Matamorosa, Bagumbayan Daraga Albay. Mortel Jonali, Bagumbayan Daraga Albay. Napay Angela Oliva, Ilawod Daraga Albay. Navera Manin Pinucas, Inang Pilar Sorsogon. Nobre Lagi Galicia, Villahermosa Daraga Albay. Obias Salve Navia, Alcalá Daraga Albay. Papuri Grace Estico, Gubat Sorsogon. Tercero, Jovelyn Saralde, Kabangan Kabalik Albay. Teres Camille Rhea Ali, Arellano Extension Ilawod Daraga Albay. Velasco Pina Joy Navia, San Rafael Castilla Sorsogon. Congratulations, Black One, and good luck.
Bachelor of Elementary Education, Block 2. May Manrique Joseph Nabo, Lakab Daraga Albay. Mindasa Arnold Ate, Amidst, Daraga, Albay. Obiasca Mark Joseph, Murauda, Ilawod, Kamalig, Albay. Sabiniano Christian Paul Arana, Balaguer Street, Daraga, Albay. Sultan John Charlie Marigondon, Amidst Relocation Site, Binitayan, Daraga, Albay. Vinyas J.B. Banyas, with academic distinction, Taysan, Legazpi City. Female, Almonte Anani Orbase, Estancia, Malinaw, Albay. Ayala Honey Mary Ala, San Roque, Legazpi City. Avila Richelle Ann del Rosario, Claveria, Masbate. Del Castillo Gemaline Yandilar, Peña Francia, Daraga, Albay. De la Torre Irene Lacaba, Ilicao, Daraga, Albay. Flores Risa Mansion, Lobiano Pilar, Sorsogon. Gomez Maricel Musigal, Talutok, Kamalig, Albay. Liton Charis Lisiniana, Baril, Daraga, Albay. Lianeta Charmaine Miralles, Peña Francia, Daraga, Albay. Llanera Jessa Bispo, Peña Francia, Daraga, Albay. Lienarisas Janet Maravilla, Magno, Daraga, Albay. Yovido Sara K. Madraso, Bagong Bayan, Daraga, Albay. Lorejo Angelica Mirafuentes, Amore del Relocation Site, Daraga, Albay. Lorente Mary Chris Cosilo, Peña Francia, Daraga, Albay. Lurcha Mary Grace Ferrer, Tagbak, Donsol, Sorsogon. Malto Ivona Grace, Austria, Gapo, Daraga, Albay. Mapa Rosa Mantes, Magno, Daraga, Albay. Martiliana Maricris Loventino, Magno, Daraga, Albay. Matosa Shelly Natili, Market Site, Daraga, Albay. Mayor Jenica Lincho, Tagas, Daraga, Albay. Mindes Marjorie Alamo, Maslog, Legazpi City. Nindina Richelle Yamera, Baskaran, Daraga, Albay. Miliena Sheila Mortales, Amidst, Daraga, Albay. Monforte Anabel Ariate, Busay, Daraga, Albay. Monsalve Joan Manundo, Villa Hermosa, Daraga, Albay. Murillo Carmina Ruiz, Pariaan, Kamalig, Albay. Muyna Kathleen A. Nuliar, Gutob, Kamalig, Albay. Lasyon Shaira Sina, Gapo, Daraga, Albay. Napon Marites, Irangay, Kamalig, Albay. Napal Florimon Nipas, Libot, Kamalig, Albay. Napay Joey Moralejo, Salvacion, Daraga, Albay. Ni Sergio Anneli Nasol, Palanog, Kamalig, Albay. Noiles Charlene Hermones, Bariu, Kamalig, Albay. Apian Jeline Osera, Manila, Ginubatan, Albay. Babilonia Lady Jane Lusitano, Lakab, Daraga, Albay. Palermo Aisa Patriarca, Mauraro, Ginubatan, Albay. Palmones Karen Pangilinan, Pagasan San Roque, Daraga, Albay. Rep Lisa Ariente, Legazpi Palm Village, Gugon, Legazpi City. Revale Jonaline Pinosa, Tabaangan, Legazpi City. Rodrigueza Melanie Imperial, Baskaran, Daraga, Albay. Sabasa Marjorie Ralas, Mauyod, Legazpi City. Sabarisa Jamel Seda, Salvacion, Daraga, Albay. Sergio Lisel Seguidor, Bañadero Relocation Site and Slab, Daraga, Albay. Santa Cruz Gina Martiliana, Bujao, Daraga, Albay. My dear graduates, congrats.
Bachelor of Elementary Education, Block 2, Mayor, Apin Ronald Mirabel, Burgos, Daraga, Albay. Aringo Jasper John Marvella, Albay, Legazpi City. Aspirin Marvin Montero, Alcala, Daraga, Albay. Balasta Dani Estipona, Mataanag, Legazpi City. Lopera Edris Miraflor, Salvacion, Daraga, Albay. Lopez Jeffrey Medallon, Market Site, Daraga, Albay. Losande Luis Emil Azucena, Washington, Legazpi City. Mandak Daymark Masinas, Santo Cristo Street, San Roque, Daraga, Albay. Mingorno Richard Midaliaga, San Ramon, Daraga, Albay. Milarpes John Richard Mostera, Tinortilan, Kamalig, Albay. Morco Jinggoy Santa Maria, Maninila, Kamalig, Albay. Female Alamo Mylen Betito, Maslog, Legazpi City. Ardales Ronaldin Larson, Pag-asa, Daraga, Albay. Balbin Joan Mulet, Pariyaan, Kamalig, Albay. Banayo Hazel Celadeño, Bagtang, Sagpon, Daraga, Albay. Book Jenaline Dichoso, Janlo Pilar Sorsogon. Breno Aileen Balana, Tanagan, Bakakay, Albay. Cargente Karen Mimay, Kutmon, Kamalig, Albay. Daria Joan Año Nuevo, Camp Simeon Ola, Legazpi City. Ebrada David Tolin, Pag-asa Extension, Daraga, Albay. Ibanez Glenda Bayona, Kilikaw, Daraga, Albay. Imperial Sherry Miliena, Puchaw, Pilar, Sorsogon.
Leron Joan Simanes. Talahib Daraga Albay. Leyva Angelica May Borabon. Del Rosario Pilar Sorsogon. Yana Lorely Baksan. Balinat Daraga Albay. Lita Carla Cartina Nabio. Baskaran Daraga Albay with academic distinction. Lonceras Angelica Berginesa. Kumako Kako Pilar Sorsogon. Losido April Joy Aringo. Soboy Castilla Sorsogon. Lopera Jimaine Besa. Maunon Ligao City. Madridano Jonathan Viena. San Ramon Daraga Albay. Madridano Sheila Marie. Baskaran Daraga Albay. Madrideo Winnie Joy Marhalino. Peña Francia Daraga Albay. Madronero Mel Jane. Maupit Daraga Albay. Mansion Maria Angelica Neves. Baligang Kamalig Albay. Mandani Myra Espinas. Bungalon Daraga Albay. Manlapa Julian Arganda. San Francisco Legazpi City. Marjan Cynthia Atutubo. Esperanza Pilar Sorsogon. Marino Charlie May Palma. Rosada Legazpi City. Maroliano Catherine Adolfo. Laka Daraga Albay. Monreal Michelle Elquiero. Salvacion Pilar Sorsogon. Morillo Anali Mohar. Kabangan Kamalig Albay. Nahi Hazel Love Non. Mabata Sagpon Daraga Albay. Nuda Charlie Manrique. BRTS Compound Ian's Barrio Legazpi City. Obian Cristina Benga. Poblasyon Ginobatan Albay. Ortile Cecil Mostar. Market Site Daraga Albay. Ramanera Giselle Batalla. Matno Daraga Albay. Rabino Danica Babasa. Lamba Legazpi City. Rodrigueza Rochelle Morcia. De La Paz Daraga Albay. Villanueva Rowena Pablo. Doña Tomasa Ginubatan Albay. To all portrait Black Tree, congratulations.
Bachelor of Elementary Education, Academic Year 2020-2021, Block 4. Name, Abilia Mark Hill Anthony Floriano, Rizal Street, Legazpi City. Adriel Sanboy Villarreal, Kumadkat Castilla Sorsogon. Comida Christian Coordinete, Nagas Tiri Alba. Flores Rey Claveria Masbate, Peñaflor Junior Dexter Nolo, Palano Camadrid Albay, Hine, Avion Catherine Mendez, San Jose Maslo, Legazpi City, Agnote Gretchen Briones, Bayasong Pilar Sorsogon, Alcantara Mayla Barrios, Mercedes Pilar Sorsogon, Aligo Angelica Valladolid, Taizan Legazpi City, Asaypolo Sayril Madroni, Villa Hermosa, Daraga, Albay, Barcoma Ana Marie Napir, Salvacion, Daraga, Albay, Bonso Maria Bernadette Maggio, Maulog, Legazpi City, Borihon Joanne Millena, Ilawod Gapo, Daraga, Albay, Cayente Milan Olivero, Orosite, Legazpi City, Deborah Miriam Pedres, Bitano, Legazpi City, Lola Annalyn Pisito, Malabong, Daraga, Albay, Lorilia Elena Liena, Salvacion Pilar Sorsogon, Rosariaga Rhea Bernal, Tacloon Pilar Sorsogon, Manorilia Giselle Manzanilla, Pudo Pilar Sorsogon, Manrique Clarinet Añeluego, Piñaranda Street, Legazpi City, Mapa Mary Joy Dumasin, Tidako, Daraga, Albay, Marchan Rizame Arnante, Bujao, Daraga, Albay, Mendones Maria Elaine Impa, Binitayan, Daraga, Albay, Mirabel Danica May Ocfemia, Timantong, Daraga, Albay, Morente Marisa Racton, Ilawod, Cabalin, Albay, Nas Maribel Nadia, Alcala, Daraga, Albay, Nicolas Shairame Luma, Binitayan, Daraga, Albay, Nomo Lindsay Ayuhan, Dilabas, Daraga, Albay, Orila Benjamin Ajero, Binapa, Castilla, Sorsogon, Ordano Anamin Baranda, Batang Raco-Raco, Albay, Oserin Edwin Pande, Ilawod, Camalin, Albay, Protestante Mayan Conda, Marcelo S. Pilar C.P. Daraga, Albay, Rigostilio Cecil Margaret Ambo, Bigaan, Legazpi City, Rimiticado Jamerlin Ibanez, Villa Hermosa, Daraga, Albay, Santos Rimelin Topo, Bitano, Legazpi City,
Isaac Legazpi City. Congratulations and good luck, Block 4.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Biological Science. Male. Del Castillo, Wilbert Medina, San Antonio, Pilar, Sorsogon. Guyena, Joseph Datar, Purok 6, San Vicente Grande, Daraga, Albay. Madrona, Reggie, Giriba, Bujao, Daraga, Albay. Magalona, John Carlo, Marmida, Pinagsalong, Pilar, Sorsogon. Maestrado, Christian Mark Postre, cum laude, Baduyo, Pilar, Sorsogon. Memes, Ruel, Lucas, cum laude, Binitayan, Daraga, Albay. Reyes, Joshua Punyado, Tabon-Tabon, Daraga, Albay. Zamora, Mark Reñon, Manya, cum laude, San Ramon, Daraga, Albay. Female, Ariston Shirley Tulid, Anislak, Daraga, Albay. Bago, Angela Milan, Anislak, Daraga, Albay. Beliudo Lisel Valladolid, Palanas, Estanza, Legazpi City. Chavez Angie Manio, cum laude, Banyak, Daraga, Albay. Violino Maria Evelyn Nares, cum laude, Barangay 1, Kamalig, Albay. Lerio Mary G, cum laude, Baskaran, Daraga, Albay. Lianera G. Manjares, Imantong, Daraga, Albay. Legado Melanie Blanca, Nixie, Daraga, Albay. Madrideo Angel Rose Sapa, with academic distinction, Kumadkat, Castilla, Sorsogon. Magracia Sheila Marie Marcelo, Bagakay, Legazpi City. Manzano Joanna Gelua, Kilikao, Daraga, Albay. Marasigan Rexy Cao, with academic distinction, Bagtang, Daraga, Albay. Margalio Stephanie Hay Arienda, Digaa, Legazpi City. Montero Emilu Marbella, cum laude, Piña Francia, Daraga, Albay. Musa Emily Lucido, Mauyod, Legazpi City. Navia Beverly Navarez, Salvacion, Daraga, Albay. Payakag Julina May Miliena, cum laude, Maruroy, Daraga, Albay. Vivar Nelly Rose Ventura, Solong, Kamalig, Albay. To all biological majors, congratulations!
Presenting the graduating students academic year 2020-2021, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Male. Princess Ludinel Gauco. Dagdag Pilar Sorsogon. Jones Edmond Vianeta. San Rafael Castilla Sorsogon. Cum laude. Miraflor Paul John Llanera. Busay Daraga Albay. West Academic Distinction. M. Moral Michael Tolia. Kabakan Kamali Albay. Female. Alcantara Adelaida Montejo. Victory Village, Legazpi City. Arevalo May Ceroriales. Bascaran, Daraga, Albay. Asaytuno, Roslyn Salizer. Kabangtungan, Manito, Albay. Cum laude. Banga Choli, Olivilla. Arboleda Street, Ilawar, Daraga, Albay. Grahida Geraldine Ibias. Poblasyon, Kamali, Albay. Laksit, Karin, Gubat. Sumalot, Kasiguran, Sorsogon. Vianeta, Michelle, Chua. San Roque, Bascaran, Daraga, Albay. Leona, Devi, Novendino. Mixi, Daraga, Albay. Lupera, Minjo, Besa. Washington, Bascaran, Daraga, Albay. Mansera, Irene, Leona. Bayawas, Pilar, Sorsogon. Manzanilla, Princess Camille, Balolon. Upper Malabog, Daraga, Albay. Marigondon, Cherry May, Encarnacion. Imalnod, Legazpi City. Martinez, Mariela. San Isidro, Santo Domingo, Albay. Marvin, Charmaine, Zaira, Bernarte. Alcala, Daraga, Albay. Medina, Almariza, Mortiga. Poblasyon, Kamali, Albay. Bendyville, Antilin, Malate. Alcala, Daraga, Albay. Moralina, Elsie, Loregia. Nabasan, Daraga, Albay. Cum laude. Muchal, Mergili, Ulitin. Palalo, Kamali, Albay. With academic distinction. Nasol, Carmina, Villa. Padaytay, Kamali, Albay. Navia Emeline Nesirio. Goto, Kamali, Albay. Nimo Carmela Ingaran. Tinago, Kamali, Albay. Olivino Maylin Vianeta. Bascaran, Daraga, Albay. Olivero Gemma Timo. San Jose, Maslo, Legazpi City. Ordonez, Christine Bongona. E.M. Barrio, Legazpi City. Tolentino, Mary Grace Eunice Balute. Pag-asa, Rawis, Legazpi City. Valera Christine Guedo, Tagas Daraga Albay, cum laude. Envilia Maylene Martes, Matnog Daraga Albay. Congratulations.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, Major in Filipino, Male, Altabano Mayland Angelo Loreno, Anislav Daraga Albay. Aperen Jeffrey Bautista, Arimbay, Legazpi City, cum laude. Bilista Junior Gabriel Binocas, Maroroy Daraga Albay, cum laude. Bermito Emerson Apiliado, Salvacion Pilar Sosco, Gwen Samuel Jr. Emiliano, Morales Umpang Sapon Daraga Albay, cum laude. Bronzal John Patrick Lobindino, Bujao Daraga Albay. Lobindino Mark Anthony Lansangan, Abbas Pilar Sorsgon, cum laude. Ognita Jomar Madilar, San Roque Daraga Albay. Himil Abanis Salvacion Sinyas, Inang Pilar Sorsgon. Altabano Mari Angeline Loreno, Anislav Daraga Albay, cum laude. Anggara Rosan Babasa, Sipi Daraga Albay. Antonio Analin Colina, Kiwalo Daraga Albay. Argote Cristina Malati, Dinapa Castilla Sorsogon, cum laude. Vides Dilen Rosales, Mariposki Pilar Sorsogon, cum laude. Carlo Rosalie Daito, Rawis Legazpi City, with academic distinction. Indonela Nerisalin Severino, Morales Kumwang Sapon Daraga Albay, cum laude. Legazpi Eloisa Vera Albayta, London Bastaran Daraga Albay. Yansa Mariel Gomez, Kotmon Kamalig Albay. Lorsa Vanessa May Reyes, Suboy Castilla Sosco. Macando Marisa Persia, Mabanate Pilar Sosco. Mantes May George, Malubago Ginubatan Albay. Manila Jean Herrera, San Isidro Donsol Sosgo. Marollano Jaime Angel Puntuya, Talahib Daraga Albay. Marticio Analisa Santoña, San Jose Pilar Sorsogon, cum laude. Mascareñas Maria Tess Maniwa, Sipi Daraga Albay. Mendoza Lovely Rionda, Pinarik Legazpi City. Misolas Maika Bibar, Bigar Legazpi City. Napay Roisa Rosales, Libor Kamalig Albay. Non Jinky Asilo, Dinapa Castilla Sorsogon. Orbigo Melissa Aringo, Managay Ginubatan Albay, Pereras Judith Yanillo, Kumatkat Castilla Sorsbon, Rabulan Ronaldin Velasco, Anislav Daraga Albay, Rimbaw Laika Merdado, Gutmon Kamalik Albay, and Tulibas Silame Nivero, Bigaa, Legazpi City. Filipino majors, congratulations!
Good day to everyone. Specialists of graduating students annual year 2020 to 2021. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Mayor Betera Joven, San Roque, Daraga, Albay. Jovino Junior Gesta, Bacon, 2nd District, Sorsogon City, cum laude. Yamis Raljay Lulu, Bigao, Daraga, Albay. Malaki Rico Luberes, Budjao, Daraga, Albay. Maravelias Carlo Apento, Tagaytay, Kamalig, Albay, cum laude. Molieno Robert Fabian, Lumbang, Pilar, Sorsogon, cum laude. And Dickinson Leadership Excellence Award. Morillo Rafi Perez, Maupic, Daraga, Albay, cum laude. Pableo Alexis Moico, Tagiba, Kamalig, Albay, cum laude. Ricafort Christian John Baldi, Gogon Barriada, Legazpi City. Viraces Mike Ardales, Taisan, Legazpi City. Female Arganda Carmela Mingiliano, Putyao, Pilar, Sorsogon. Asaituno Hanili Bigueras, Fidel Sordida, Santo Domingo, Albay, cum laude. Castillo Crisel Ortiz, Malabog, Daraga, Albay, cum laude. Daito Catherine Nevero, Purok, Legazpi City. Del Agua Jillian Ruth Esmabe, Resettlement Site, Taisan, Legazpi City. Academic Distinction. Delumen Joan May Mago, Gabawan, Daraga, Albay. Liuna Alea Milagrosa, Liuna Pilar Sorsogon. Mariñas Lisel Mortel, Lourdes Pilar Sorsogon. Mirandilla Jennifer Liana. Balinag Daraga Albay. Talan Melody Santos. Peña Francia Daraga Albay. Academic Distinction. Vista Joy Saminyaga. Bangkiruhan Legazpi City. Mathematics major, congratulations, good luck, and God bless.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in MAPE, Block A. Male. Alejo Alexander Lusande, PNR Side, Daraga Albay, Academic Distinction. Arcelia Carl Japet Andes, Kapantawan, Legazpi City. Bahitin Nomer Kadag, Kumapo-Kapo, Pilar, Sorsogon. Bariso Ryan Sabas, Buhnot, Legazpi City, Academic Distinction. Bayonito Herben Ayala, Porocuan, San Roque, Legazpi City, cum laude. Simanes Kevin Azores, Gabawan, Daraga Albay, cum laude. Dave Darin Montilla, Bayasong, Pilar, Sorsogon. Golondrina Ryan Mendoza, Maroroy, Daraga Albay, Academic Distinction. Lisay Summer Bilion, EM's Barrio, Legazpi City. Malate Dieter John Montes, Alcala, Daraga Albay, cum laude. Mario Jomari Gonzalez, Bantayan, Pilar, Sorsogon. Marantal Michael, Market Side, Daraga Albay. Marco Jonathan Mallorca, Bagong Bayan, Daraga Albay. Morada Jomel Mendoza, Namantao, Daraga Albay. Morcoso Darwin Pibar, Ilawon, Kamalik, Albay. Noiles Gerardo Morales, Barrio, Kamalik, Albay. Ofleda John Lloyd Nipa, Kabangan, Kamalik, Albay. Osman Jumel Hanapi, Tanawan Street, Bigaa, Legazpi City. Valladolid Mark Ramirez, Taisan, Legazpi City, Academic Distinction. Zamora Aljun Ibanez, Panoypoy, Kamalik, Albay, cum laude. Female. Antuerpia Lenny Kalima, Malacca, Taisan, Legazpi City. Aparicio Joyce Manresa, Bantayan, Pilar, Sorsogon, cum laude. Atos Jacqueline San Buenaventura, Taisan, Resettlement, Legazpi City. Bilen Lovely Rose Brillantes, Bagtang, Sagpon, Daraga Albay. Cum laude. Dalios Laika Siokson, Lumbang, Pilar, Sorsogon. Lozano Lenny Onandia Bandat, Daraga Albay. Marbelia Jeneline Magdaong, Bungalon, Daraga Albay. Moral Angel Rose Miranda Kabangan, Kamalik, Albay. Osabel Beverly Moral, Centro, Kamalik, Albay. Pineda Romaline Salpigues, Taysan, Legazpi City. Tamang Shiny Ibraga, Burabuis, Legazpi City. And Villegas Angeli Lorente, Namantao, Daraga Albay. To my beloved Mapi, a major congratulations and keep soaring high.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in MAPE, Block B. Aguilar Joven Veloso, Veneranda Street, Legazpi City. Andes Jerry Lucilo, Tabon-Tabon, Daraga, Albay. Apon Jordan Asuncion, Arellano Extension, Ilawag, Daraga, Albay, with academic distinction. Balanlayos Evan Joas Lauta, Binitayan, Daraga, Albay, cum laude. Campilios Peter Jr. Arsiga, Makalaya, Sorsogon. Cordelia Gerald Perales, Taysan, Legazpi City, with academic distinction. Guerrero Mark Wilson Marmol, Inarado, Daraga, Albay, cum laude. Giriba J. Naive, Balinggang, Kamalik, Albay, with academic distinction. Luna Antonio Igor, San Roque, Daraga, Albay. Mandane Odras Niño Apuli, San Isidro, Santo Domingo, Albay, cum laude. Manrique Rudel Año Nuevo, Kabangan, Kamalik, Albay, cum laude. Molar John Melvin Yones, Binitayan, Daraga, Albay. Olavario Marvin Uwoguwo, Yongson, Ligal City. Pangilinan Jose Rico Taro, Banuyo Pilar, Sorsogon. Pili John Lester Lucilo, Peñaranda, Daraga, Albay. Rigmalos April Nolyal, Kabangan, Kamalik, Albay. Female Abunda Angeli Camasis, Kilikao, Daraga, Albay. Ariate Laarni Glenn, Marquez, EM's Barrio South, Legazpi City. Allende Julia Samson, Taysan, Legazpi City. Dato Christine Samson, Salvacion, Daraga, Albay. Del Mundo Shailene Mangampo, Kabangan, Legazpi City. Yaguno Leia Malate, Matnog, Daraga, Albay, cum laude. Yona Charmaine Andes, Gabawan, Daraga, Albay. Magallanes Sara Maceda, Pandan, Daraga, Albay, cum laude. Maharillas Lisa Apellado, Caburacan, Castilla, Sorsogon. Mallorca Glenda Lasaga, Santo Domingo Street, Tagas, Daraga, Albay, cum laude. Liliana Monica Onesta, Mayon Castilla Sorsogon, cum laude. Naa Rexin Baludo, Paisan Legazpi City. Noel Bernadette Villa, Abukay Pilar Sorsogon. Peñarubia Crisanta Gado, San Joaquin Legazpi City, with academic distinction. Raimundo Lian Antaso, Lower Malabong, Daraga, Albay. Congratulations, MAPI Major.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies. May Luminario Aldred Apudaca, Anislat, Daraga, Albay. Londonio Rio Marhalino, Balinat, Daraga, Albay, cum laude. Lonsame Loreto Jr., Morona, Barriada, Legazpi City, cum laude. Watiwat Junior Felicito Abion, Tanawan Street, Ligaha, Legazpi City, cum laude. Female, Alejo May Alcadesa, Crossing, Humapo, Legazpi City. Colliera Sara Altabano, Binoronan, Daraga, Albay. Ibanez Brenda Magdasok, Lilipnon, Maugo, Robillar, Albay, with academic distinction. Miranda Giselle Lopez, Alboreda Street, Market Site, Daraga, Albay. Toledo Janice Oltino, San Joaquin, Legazpi City. Valladolid Ivy Itsia, Taisan, Legazpi City. BSEd, major in Social Studies, congratulations.
May I now invite all the graduates who are watching to join in reciting the pledge of loyalty to the alma mater to be led by Loreto Jr. M. Lonsame, 4th year Federated Organization President. After which, the oath of membership to Daraga Community College Alumni Association by Ms. Joanne M. Lustan, President, Daraga Community College Alumni Association.
Itaas ang kanang kamay at sumunod sa akin. Panata ng katapatan sa alma mater. Bilang isa sa mga nagtapos sa dalubhasaan ng komunidad ng Daraga, ako'y nagtatapat na mamumuhay sa mga layunin ng aking alma mater at sa patuloy na pagtuklas ng katotohanan at walang sawang pagsilbi sa bayan, kapwa, at higit sa lahat sa Diyos.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name, member of Batch 2021 of Daraga Community College, do hereby affirm my loyalty to my alma mater. I promise to keep her teachings and ideals, and I will encourage others to support and thus contribute to the perpetuation of the noble work of this institution. So help me God. Congratulations, Daraga Community College, Batch 2021. God bless us all.
May I now join all the graduates to sing the Daraga Community College hymn through an audio-visual presentation with Mr. Bernard Chan Martinez, college faculty member, conducting.
You are
That winds up our 15 commencement exercises via virtual platform. Go forth, grow, and be successful. As the famous writer once said, 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you did not do, by the ones you did do. So, throw the bowlines, sail away from the safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails, explore, aspire, dream, discover. I am Renato Magato Marbid saying thank you and congratulations.